I'm going to show you how to prepare the item interest calculation in SAP S/4HANA system. This is the second video of the customer interest calculation series that we are doing here in this channel. In the description of this video, you can find all the related videos. My name is Dias and I've been working with SAP since 2001 with my main focus in finance area. I work as an SAP FICO contractor. In case you want to reach me out for projects, please find my LinkedIn ID in the description of this video. If you are just now reaching to this channel, its name is SAP at Advanced, and the aim is to share SAP knowledge. Therefore, do not forget, please subscribe to this channel to receive new videos on a weekly basis. My dear audience, I would like to make you a request to help us to reach to the first 1,000 subscribers. At the moment, we have more than 14,000 views and less than 300 subscribers. Can you please help us to balance the scale by subscribing to this channel? Here, in this channel, we deliver very high quality content. And I use my free time to share SAP knowledge for free. I think it's fair enough to ask you also to share SAP knowledge. How can you do that? Very simple. You just need to subscribe to this channel, share the channel within your network, and it is done. Let's reach to the first 1,000 subscribers. In this video, we are going to create the general settings for the individual interest indicator that will be used in the item interest calculation program. And now, without any further ado, let's start and let's go to the system. Now we are in the SAP IMG menu. So we first define the interest calculation, and now we are going to prepare the item interest calculation. I'm going to click here, and then we are going to do as a copy as I normally do. We will be using the L1, was the test that I did previously. So now I'm going to click, and I'm going to use the interest calculation indicator N1, which is the one that we have created in our previous video. So this is the connection of what we did before. So the item selection, I want to select only open items of my customers that are overdue. No cleared items for the interest calculation. In the interest determination, only calculate interest on debits. So I don't want, if I have credit notes that are overdue because I did not do my job, I don't want to calculate anything on credits. What is the reference date for the calculation? We could be choosing the document date. We could be choosing the value date, but I would prefer to choose the posting date. Here in the calendar type, I prefer to use the calendar type G, which is the number of the months. So because we have months with 28, we have 31, 30. So I think it's this one that I want to choose. Transfer of days will not do anything. Tolerance days, I'm going to give 5 days. If it means that when the program runs, if my invoice is overdue less than 5 days, it will not be taken in consideration for the calculation. Factory calendar, I don't have anything. This is a testing system, but in your case, you can choose the calendar of your company code. Normally, this is coming. We can get this in HR, for example. This dictates what are the weekends and bank holidays in the system or in your country. So now interest post-processing, I want to limit this to amount limit to 10. So everything that is above of 10 BRLs, it will be calculated. So if I have an invoice overdue that is 5 BRLs, it will not take in consideration. You can leave it as empty. It's not mandatory to have this populated. Output control, this is a test system. So I'm not going to use the print form. I don't have forms for this. Otherwise we have been choosing here the print form and then the number range we needed to choose. I'll show you when we go back of this screen where the number range is. So I want to post the post interested. The posting conditions, I'm using the 001, that is the one standard from the system. So basically this one is net. And then tax, I'm not going to put anything. Posting with invoice reference, so I want to post want to have the reference of the invoice when I make the posting for the interesting calculation, which invoices are getting considered, transfer of account assignment information, and I can use more information to transfer from my original invoice to the invoice that I'm going to charge with the interest calculation, which in this case I have chosen the assignment field, for example. So far, so good. Now, what we are going to do, we are going to press enter, and then we are going to save what we have just done. We are going to get back, and then I want to show you that here you define the number ranges, okay? And then in the printout, you define the forms. So we are not going to touch on this part of the configuration. I hope you are enjoying this video as me doing it for you. Now you know how to prepare the item interest calculation in SAP S/4HANA system. Thanks for watching this video. You can find the next video in the description of this one. Please do not forget, subscribe to this channel to receive new videos on a weekly basis. See you in the next video.